Click on the link below to get price. The TST Electric Bike for Adults impresses with its robust features designed for both casual riders and those seeking a reliable commuting solution. One of the standout attributes is its powerful 1500W peak motor, which provides a remarkable top speed of 28 miles per hour. This speed is ideal for navigating urban environments quickly while still offering enough control for leisurely rides on park paths. The bike excels in its range, boasting up to 60 miles on a single charge. This is particularly advantageous for users who require longer rides without the anxiety of battery depletion. The lithium-ion battery charges efficiently and can be removed for convenient charging at home or work, making it a great option for daily commutes. In terms of build quality, the TST Electric Bike features a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that is both lightweight and durable. The design allows for easy handling, whether you are navigating through traffic or cruising down bike paths. The bike's adjustable seat and handlebars cater to a range of rider heights, ensuring a comfortable riding experience for everyone. The inclusion of a front suspension system significantly enhances ride comfort, absorbing shocks from uneven surfaces and providing a smoother journey. Additionally, the bike is equipped with disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power, which is crucial for safety at higher speeds. The bright LED lights enhance visibility during night rides, making it a practical choice for evening commutes. Another appealing aspect is the bike's user-friendly digital display that provides essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. This feature allows riders to stay informed while on the go. Overall, the TST Electric Bike for Adults is a powerhouse of performance, comfort, and practicality. It appeals strongly to anyone looking for an electric bike that combines speed and range with quality construction, making it a worthwhile investment for daily commuting or weekend adventures.